In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your favorite item offer on Etsy. It's super common for customers to favorite one of your products and just keep scrolling, saving it for later, but never actually coming back to buy it. But when you have the setup, Etsy automatically sends them a discount on your behalf, giving them that extra push to finally make the purchase. And believe it or not, it takes less than a minute to set up. From your Etsy homepage, you have to scroll to the top and click on Shop Manager. Then on the left, click on Marketing, Sales and Discounts. Scroll a little, you're gonna see a few offers here. As you can see, there is favorite item offer. You just click on it. As you can see, this is the one that I've been using for a while. It has 31 emails sent, 5 times used, and almost $12 in revenue. And just keep in mind, this is a hobby store that I'm not actively working on. So let me show you how to set up yours. For now, I'm just gonna click on stop sending offers, and now it's time to set up the new one. Just click on setup. As you can see, now we have a few options here. You can decide between percentage off, fixed amount, free shipping, and I like to keep it a percentage. I'm gonna keep it like 35, and for the promo code just add whatever, and I'm just gonna add favorite 35, and yeah, you just click create offer, and yeah, that's done. As you can see, the promo code is 35% off, the actual promo code. And that's it. Now every time someone favorites one of your listings, Etsy will automatically send them your offer in the background. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.